morning, students. We are going to start our new chapter, Standard 9, which is First World War and Russian Revolution. Okay. So, total 2 World War was fought. Total 2 World War. First World War, which is fought between 1914 to 1918. Second World War was fought between 1939 to 1945. Okay. First World War 1914 to 1918. Second World War 1939 to 1945. Okay. So, what was the reason behind the First World War? Okay, and most of country indulged in the First World War, but superpower America was not in the picture of First World War. Okay, America took part in Second World War. Okay, so First World War. What was the reason behind First World War? First is the colonization. What is colonization? Okay, so one particular country, when they found that some political or administration, some European country found that in some particular country there is political or administration inefficiency, then the European country established their rule over that particular country is called the colonization. And European country, or in European mostly England took control over mostly around 150 countries. So today this 150 countries also known as a Commonwealth countries, and also this Commonwealth country held a Commonwealth game. Okay, those country which is under the direct control of the England is called as a Commonwealth country, or they particularly arrange a Commonwealth game. Okay, so first is the colonization reason, second one is a economic factor, third is a group, fourth is a role of newspaper, and other many factors which is directly affected the First World War. Okay, we will see this factor later, but first here one word is a Western European countries, and in previous lecture or first chapter we have already seen that European countries, Portuguese, Dutch, Britisher, or you can say English, and France, Britisher. Okay, Portuguese, Dutch, Britisher, and France were come to India for the purely trading purpose. We have seen that in 1493 Constantinople region were won by the Turkish Muslim. Okay, and they permanently blocked that land and sea route. Okay, so European people need to discover the new sea route which lead to India. Okay, so many brave sailors tried, and first Vasco da Gama discovered the new sea route to India. Okay, then after English and France, Dutch, English and France were come. But we all know that Britishers were also fought with Dutch and also with France. Means with the French, Britishers fought first, second and third Carnatic War. Out of these three, French people lost all of these three battles, and this also affected the power of the French people. Okay, so mostly ruler which is took control over the India is only Britisher. Okay, so we have also seen that out of the 347 years, Britisher came in 1600 and they left India in 1947. So out of this 347 year, we calculate that first 100 year is mostly they gave for a trading, and next 247 they found that in India there is no unity, so they took advantage of this condition and ruling over the India for the long period around 247 years, and this led to the ruin, destroy our economy, social and culture influence. Okay, so Western European country, because of their greedy nature, they acquire new territories, particularly in Asia and Africa. Okay, at that time, Asian and African countries were concluded to the backward countries. Today itself, Africa has a good amounts of natural resources. Today, Africa has a good amount of natural resources, but still Africa is considered as a developing country. Why? Because Africa is falls between this is equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So, only one country of the world in which Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn, three passed. Okay, so this climate factor is very much affected toward the development of the most of the countries. So because of this climate condition, Africa is considered as a backward country, because whenever you find that there is no time for a rain, or Africa's mostly temperature is 52 degree to 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you find that most of the people who lived in Africa is mostly black. Okay, because of this tropical region. So Western European countries, because of the greedy nature, they acquired new territories. Okay, new territories in mostly Asia and African countries. And at that time there was a competition between European nations to establish new colony, particularly in Asian continent and African continent. So because of the colonization, we have seen that what is colonization. Because of this colonization, mostly countries political, economical, social and cultural ruin. Ruin means this Western European countries took control over the particularly Asian and African countries, and they destroyed or ruined our social, cultural and economical administration. Okay, this is third point. Next topic is colonization in Asia and Africa. Okay, so first Spain. At that time, before era of 1870 to 1880, Spain was a very much powerful country. Okay, Spain is considered the most powerful country at the time. Spain took control over the Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. Okay, these all are European countries. So we have seen that these Western European country acquired new territories in Asian and African country also, but their greedy nature didn't spare even their neighboring countries. So Spain took control over Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. Okay. Next, after that, after some of time, France captured some portion of Spain. Okay, after Spain, firstly Spain took control of Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. Then and after, France captured some portion of Spain. Okay. Next, Portuguese king died without a heir. हेयर HEIR, नॉट HAIR, मीन्स कि उसका कोई वारसदार था नहीं. ओके, पोर्टुगीज किंग डाइड विदाउट हेयर. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्लड रिलेशन स्पेनिश किंग took control over the Portugal. Okay, Portugal king died without nominating their heir. So because of the blood relation, Spanish king rule over the Portugal. Okay, we have also seen that the Dalhousie annexation policy. So here same particular thing is implemented, that what is the annexation policy. So any king or queen died without nominating their heir, so these properties belong to the European country. European country means mostly Britishers. Okay, so this is annexation, Dalhousie annexation policy. Here is also same thing happened. Okay, so nearly for 6 decades, 6 decade means most nearly for 600 years. Okay, Spain took monopoly, that if any other country want to establish their colonial rule in particular country, then they have to took permission from the Spain. Okay, without their permission, no country can establish their rule over the other countries. So this is a Spain monopoly which is nearly running for the 6 decade. Okay, so next is Italy. Then and after, we have seen that France captured some portion of Spain. Then and after, Italy captured some portion of France. So this is interrelated, or neighboring countries which took control their neighborland or neighborhood countries. This is the first colonization in Asia and Africa. This is give a combined. Now, first colonization in Asia. This first, second is a colonization in Africa. Colonization in Asia, colonization in Africa is mostly led toward the First World War. Okay, colonization in Asia and Africa mostly lead toward the First World War. Okay, first England expanded. First England took control over the India. Then and after, England expanded their territory in Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Singapore and Malaysia. Okay. Next, England also expanded their territories or control over the China. Okay. But when they entered into China, so at that time some Chinese ruler fought one battle which is very famous in the history, is known as the Opium War. Opium means alcohol. Okay, Opium War, which was fought between 1839 to 1842. Okay, so this war, Opium War, was lost badly by the China. So China lost its 5 territories. China gave it 5 territories to the England. So, and then and after England took a very much control over the Asian continent. Okay, over the India also included Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Singapore, Malaysia, and also over the China. Okay. Because of this Opium War, China was become a very weak in terms of administration and political instability. So, because of the China's weakness, Japan, Russia, Germany, France, Belgium, and America acquire some portion of the territories and establish their political rights over the China. Okay, next. This is the colonization in Asia. One important thing which is mostly attracted the West European countries, this is a petroleum reserve. Okay, so because we all know that the Arab countries is very much rich in their petroleum reserve. So, Arab country, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, and other Gulf countries, these European nations also took control over these Arab countries because of the richness of this petroleum reserve, which gave them a very much economic stability. Okay, next, colonization in Africa. We have seen that Africa is very much prosperous in terms of raw material or availability of raw materials. So, because of the industrialization, these European countries use the raw material and they selling the ready product in a market. Okay, so they also took control over the some African territories. First, Dutch is the first European to establish their control over the African country at the end of the 15th century. Second, England took control over the Cape. When you see the world map, then you found that in Africa, Cape, Algeria, okay, which is very near to each other. Okay, so England took control over Cape, same France control over the Algeria. Then third, King Leopold, who was considered a very much prosperous king. This King Leopold of Belgium also took control over the Congo because of the availability of the natural resources. Okay, next, also England took control over the Egypt, East and South Africa. Next, France took control over Tunisia, Morocco, Egypt, East Africa and South Africa. Germany also expanded the territory because of the control of East Africa and West Africa. Next, due to the there is a one continent and different nations took control over the different territories. So, simple thing, the dispute was arise between them. So, one conference which was held in Berlin, and in this conference one thing decided that the particular nation were allotted their particular territories. So, this dispute was solved. Okay. other European countries want to expand their territory through the control of administration and political benefits of other countries, while Germany and Italy, they took political unification. Okay, at that time there was a political instability in Germany and Italy. For that reason, some of the territory was lost by them. So Germany and Italy was done a political unification. Also they done a commercialization and colonization to the other countries. So these are the first two reasons. First is a colonization in Asia, second is a colonization in Africa. This lead to the First World War. Okay.